The 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper represents a groundbreaking fusion of luxury touring, green technology, and adventurous innovation. It's not just a trike and it's not just a camper. It's an all-in-one electric touring machine built for riders who crave freedom, comfort, and sustainability. Honda has taken the legendary Goldwing name and reimagined it for a new generation of explorers, combining the classic touring DNA with futuristic electric power and integrated camping capability. At first glance, the Goldwing electric tricycle camper looks like a vehicle straight from the future. Its sleek aerodynamic silhouette retains the iconic Goldwing elegance, but adds bold new styling cues inspired by modern EV design. The front end is dominated by a smooth LED lighting array, with adaptive matrix headlights that automatically adjust brightness and beam direction based on speed and conditions. The body panels are sculpted for optimal airflow, reducing drag while also helping to cool the electric powertrain. The rear of the Trike is where things get truly interesting. Its camper module seamlessly integrates into the design, maintaining a streamlined look even when equipped for long adventures. Underneath that futuristic shell lies a state-of-the-art, all-electric powertrain. Instead of the traditional flat-six engine, the 2026 Goldwing Trike camper uses dual electric motors, one driving the front wheel and another powering the rear pair. Together, they produce an impressive 180 horsepower and nearly 280 lb-ft of instant torque. The power delivery is silky smooth, with that characteristic electric surge that makes acceleration both quiet and exhilarating. From a standstill, this Trike can go from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds, making it one of the quickest touring trikes ever built. The electric power comes from Honda's new solid-state battery system, offering a remarkable range of up to 320 miles on a single charge. Thanks to its 800-volt fast-charging capability, the battery can recharge to 80% in just 25 minutes when connected to a DC fast charger. For longer journeys, regenerative braking helps recapture energy during deceleration, extending range and improving efficiency. The power management system is intelligent, automatically adjusting performance settings to optimize range when cruising or ramping up output when tackling steep inclines. Honda's engineers have paired this electric powerhouse with advanced suspension and stability systems. The independent rear suspension ensures a smooth, planted ride, while adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road conditions. The front suspension features a revised double wishbone design that minimizes dive during braking and enhances handling precision. Add in traction control, ABS, and a torque vectoring system that distributes power dynamically between the wheels, and you get a Trike that feels remarkably agile for its size. Whether carving mountain roads or gliding along a coastal highway, the Goldwing electric Trike handles with confidence and grace. Comfort and practicality have always been central to the Goldwing experience, and this 2026 electric model takes both to a new level. The rider's seat is plush and ergonomically sculpted with memory foam and integrated cooling and heating. The passenger seat features adjustable armrests, a reclining backrest, and a built-in massage system, perfect for those long cross-country trips. The cockpit is a blend of luxury and technology, with a massive 12-inch floating touchscreen that controls everything from navigation and entertainment to climate settings and power management. The interface is voice-activated, allowing the rider to make adjustments without taking their hands off the grips. Of course, what truly sets this Goldwing apart is the camper integration. The rear compartment expands into a compact yet comfortable micro-camper that can be set up in under 2 minutes. With the push of a button, the back of the Trike extends and transforms into a mini living space, complete with a foldable bed, LED interior lighting, and a small kitchenette that includes a portable induction cooktop and a collapsible sink. Solar panels built into the roof and rear fenders provide sustainable off-grid power, while onboard battery management ensures that you can camp comfortably for several days without draining the main propulsion battery. Storage space has also been smartly designed. Even with the camper system, the Trike offers multiple compartments for luggage and gear. The underseat storage is large enough for helmets and personal items, while side panniers and the camper trunk add more than 150 liters of total capacity. For adventure riders, there's even an optional modular cargo rack system that can hold bicycles, surfboards, or additional camping gear. Honda didn't forget about safety either. The Goldwing electric tricycle camper features an advanced suite of rider assist technologies. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring all come standard. The Trike also introduces Honda's new predictive ride system, which uses AI to analyze your riding habits, road conditions, and traffic data to anticipate potential hazards and adjust performance in real time. Combined with a 360-degree camera system and radar sensors, it provides an unparalleled sense of awareness and security on the road. The ride experience itself is pure magic. With no engine noise, the Goldwing electric trike glides almost silently, allowing riders to fully enjoy the sounds of nature and the hum of the open road. The torque-rich motors make overtaking effortless, while the low center of gravity gives it an incredibly stable feel even at high speeds. The regenerative braking system feels natural, and the smart suspension smooths out rough patches with ease. It's a ride that blends power with peace, a harmony of motion that captures the essence of electric touring. When it comes to design aesthetics, Honda has given the 2026 Goldwing Trike camper a distinct premium identity. It comes in a selection of futuristic color options like midnight graphite, electric pearl white, solar titanium, and horizon blue metallic. The LED accent lighting and illuminated Honda emblem add a touch of sophistication, while the Trike's alloy wheels have a turbine-inspired design that complements its electric theme. Every detail, from the aerodynamic mirrors to the integrated charging port, has been crafted with purpose and style. Another highlight is connectivity. The Goldwing's onboard system syncs seamlessly with smartphones, allowing access to navigation, media, and cloud services. Riders can plan routes, monitor weather conditions, and even locate nearby charging stations through Honda's Touring Connect app. The Trike also supports over-the-air software updates, meaning new features and improvements can be added long after purchase, keeping the vehicle future-ready. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper is its versatility. It's a commuter, a cruiser, and a camper all in one. Whether you're embarking on a weekend escape into the wilderness or crossing state lines on a grand adventure, it adapts effortlessly to your needs. It offers the freedom of the open road with the comfort of a mobile home and the sustainability of electric power, all wrapped in Honda's legendary reliability. In many ways, this Trike camper hybrid redefines what long-distance touring can be. It's not about rushing from one point to another. It's about experiencing the journey in comfort, style, and harmony with the environment. Honda has successfully created a vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology with a soul that still celebrates the pure joy of travel. The 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement about the future of exploration. It's for riders who dream big, who want to travel farther while treading lighter, and who see the open road not as a challenge but as an invitation. With its electric heart, luxurious design,